Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. And today, you guys, this is an inspiration video because I want 2026 to be the best year of your life. As you guys can see, I am on Virgin Voyages. As you guys can see, I'm on Virgin Voyages' newest ship, which is the Brilliant Lady. And I want you guys to live your life out loud, okay? I want you guys to retire this year. I want you guys to do everything that you ever wanted to do this year, because guess what? Tomorrow is not promised to us. So in this video, I am going to show you 3 digital products that you can use in 2026 to go ahead, retire, to live your life, and to do what you want to do with your life, okay? And like I said before, this is 2026. I'm going to show you 3 unsaturated niches to go into and how to set them up. I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial teaching you how to set it up, because like I told you guys before, this is life. This is your life. You only get one life. We have to live it to the fullest. We have to take life by the horns. And if you are stuck in a dead-end job, if you are in a place where in your life where you just hate it, this is going to be the video that's going to absolutely turn you around. And like I said before, you guys, I teach men and women of all ages how to start their faceless channels on YouTube and TikTok so that they are able to retire as well. Because when I tell you guys, I used to be a realtor and I used to work 15 hours a day. I traded that in for starting a faceless YouTube channel. And now I only work 20 minutes per day. Huge difference. And now I am able to travel the world. You guys, these are the mountains behind me. Y'all, I am so excited, but I'm more excited for you because in 2026, this year, you are going to step into your power. You are going to step into that journey, and I am going to teach you how to do it, okay? So I included a link below. That link, you guys, it is the Rich Girls and Guys Don't Work full step-by-step course, you guys. I'm gonna link it below. And you guys, it comes with the course. It comes with all of your digital products. Everything that you're gonna see in this video, you're going to see in the course, okay? Everything. So your digital products. But you guys, what I did, I took it a step further. So what I did, you guys, was I included your faceless content. So your content is already pre-made. Everything that I want you to put on your channel is already there. Listen, I want you to go live your life to the fullest. I want you to go achieve every dream that you have thought of. I want you to retire this year. I want you to get on this boat. I want them to serve you a free welcome drink, you guys. And Coach Sam is going to teach you how to do that. And you guys, included in the course, we have free mentorship meetings every single Sunday. Every Sunday, you guys, we have free mentorship meetings. So make sure that you grab the course below, you guys, and get in. Now, also, you guys, we are going to start our Rich Girl and Guys summer vacations, you guys. So you guys, I am organizing a trip for all of the rich girls and guys, but you have to be a part of the course to get those meetings, those mentorship meetings, while I answer every single question you have. And you guys, you have to be a part of it so that you are able to go ahead. You guys are able to come with us on vacation because we're taking this worldwide, you guys. We are taking this worldwide. I am so glad that you guys are here. I'm glad that you guys are focused, but let's get to this video because I'm gonna show you the 3 niches. They're super simple, super duper easy niches that you can start. You guys, I love you guys. I love you, love you, love you. So you guys, let's get to the video right now. I wanna show you guys something. So look, this one digital product, it has over 1,300 sales. You guys, they are selling this for $206, okay? There are so many others, you guys, like this one. This has over 10,000 sales, and they are selling this budget planner for $190. So what we're going to do, you guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own budget planner. And like I said, you guys, I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars literally with my channel. And if you're a beginner, these are such easy channels to create. And like I told you guys before, I'm going to show you guys how to easily make these digital products. In fact, these digital products are included within the course, you guys. So within the course, we have a 7,000 digital products, you guys. And I'm going to show you right now how simple, how easy it is to create these on your own. You guys, they're already created. The only thing that you have to do is change the first page, okay? That's the only thing that you have to do. When I tell you guys, I have made this super duper simple, super duper easy, where all you're going to have to do is change the front page and put these on your channel. Watch them create that passive, low effort, no work income, okay? So we're going to go down here, you guys. We are going to go to one of my best ones, you guys. I love this planner, okay? We are going to go right here, you guys. We are going to go into the budget tracker planner. We have the financial planner, we have the budget planner. Pick one of those, okay? You can pick any of those, all right? Pick one of those so that you can literally put this on your channel tonight. Start that faceless channel tonight, okay? So we're gonna go right here. We're going to go to use template, okay? Now we're gonna open this up. And like I told you guys, this has already been created for you. These budget trackers, you can put them on Etsy. You can link them to your digital product and put them into the Stand store. You can do all of that. And I prefer the Stand store. The Stand store, you are able to set your own price. You're also able to set your own price on Etsy, but Etsy has more competition. Your own personal website is where you can set these up and you can make the money off of them, okay? So what we're going to do, you guys, and let me show you how simple and how easy this is, okay? So what you're going to do, instead of it having the budget tracker planner on here, we are going to go to templates and we are going to look for ebook covers, okay? Now with your ebook covers, let me tell you, the secret to this is to find an ebook cover that has a picture inlet. And I'm going to share with you right now, the ones that have a picture inlet is always the coaching ones, okay? So what you do is you go to the coaching ebook covers, okay? These always have a picture inlet. Now, if you want to keep this 100% faceless, all you have to do is put your logo in here. That's all you guys have to do, is literally stick your logo in here, or you can put your face on here, okay, you guys? So you know I love this one, okay? This has been my go-to one for a very long time. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this over here, and then you guys, they're gonna ask us, do we want to replace the current page or add a new one? We're going to go to replace the current page, okay? So now that you have this up, you guys, this looks like it is your own. This is your own branding, okay? So once you have that together, all you have to do, literally, you guys, all you have to do is stick this right in there, okay? So the ultimate coaching guide, what we're going to do, we are going to go to uploads, okay? Once we go to uploads, what I am going to tell you guys to do is go to a really nice place in your area, take a couple pictures of yourself or have someone take pictures of yourself, you guys, and use that picture. Now, if you guys already know, I used to be a realtor, so I have a lot of professional pictures on here. You do not have to use a lot of professional pictures. You don't have to use a lot of professional pictures, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and you're going to just replace this picture with your own. I'm showing you guys how really super simple and how really super duper easy it is to do this, okay? So we are trying to, you can even put this as a bigger one. Listen, Linda. Okay, so you can either put this as a bigger one or you can put that as your as a smaller one. It is up to you, whatever you want to do, okay? So you can replace this picture right here, and then you could just simply slip in your own, okay? Simply slip in your own. And let's see if they allow us. Yeah, we're here. Boom. So now it looks like yours. Now, what I like to do is, because I am a creature of branding, what I like to do, you guys, is I like to go ahead and I like to keep my colors the same as well. That is a part of your branding, okay? So and I'm gonna turn this pink. I should turn it like a lilac. Maybe document colors. Okay, there we go. Really nice, really simple, and really easy. So after you have this, you're like, how are we going to put this on the channel? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to put this on the channel. So what you guys are going to do is you are going to go to, you are going to go to share, and you guys, we are going to go to copy link. We're going to go to template link, okay? So once you go to template link, all you have to do is either put this in Etsy, which I do not want you guys to do. I actually want you guys to put this into Stand Store, Beacons, or any other digital product store. And let me tell you guys, I love the Stand Store. You're able to do this with Stand Store. So you're gonna put this onto the Stand Store, and then you guys, you are going to go ahead and you're going to sell this on your own store where you don't have any competition, and you guys, where you can literally set the price for whatever you want it to be. So that is how super simple, super duper easy that Canva is going to pay your bills. And like I told you guys, I have the budgeting tracker, and I am going to show you guys one more that I use. All right, you guys, and another one that I use is going to be either the self-love journal. You could create manifestation, you could create motivational journals. All that is in this 7,000 digital products. All of that is in there. So you can create the self-love journal, the gratitude journal, the 5-minute gratitude journal, the daily devotional journal, the gratitude journal. You guys, my next channel is that motivational channel. So any one of these can be put on your motivational channel. And like I said before, they do extremely well. These things have brought me in over $50,000 a month without even having to work. So when I tell you guys that this is super duper simple, super duper easy, it is, okay? So if you're a beginner, I want you to use those 2 digital products. And like I said, you guys, come join the program while I teach you guys step by step how to do this. We have classes every single Sunday, and your classes are free with the purchase of your course, you guys. So come on in, come let Coach Sam teach you guys how to do this, because I want to see you succeed, and I do not want to see us working. We are not struggling this year. We are living our lives. You guys, I love you guys, and I want you to start. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to leave the link for my course below. Make sure you guys go get it. Get in there and start to live your best life. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.